In my country, we have problem. And the problem, it is transport. Okay. Transport the baby up to TV. You got a TV?
No, I don't.
Oh my God.